back in lockdown again. I haven't been out in days. The cabin fever is setting in. And I've started writing jingles about random items in my house.
There's a friend in my life who never gets old. It warms my water when it's cold. It's my kettle. Do your shoes keep falling off your feet? You need laces. Toothpaste cleans a hole in your face.
Depression, happiness, suppression. If you're feeling cheerful but you want to be blue, depression is a thing for you.
My house, it wasn't wet enough. My house was really dry. So I called myself a plumber and I got me some water pipes. That's right. If your house is too dry, you need to get some pipes. Get yourself plumbed in.